Disha Bharat, an NGO working for the cause of value education in the society, is organizing an online value education program, My Bharat, from August 1st to 15th of August. In order to get the independence, India has fought through the strongest weapon which is considered in the whole world, the non-violence. Before the independence was got, there were several youth who had fought and they had given the Atmahuti for the cause of the nation. Dhingra, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Savarkar, all these people have fought with the Britishers in such a way that we should be free. In order to learn the lessons from them, Disha has organized a program for the college youth wherein which they can participate by giving the best of their performances in the creative fashion. Now these activities will be further supported by the youth of the Disha, and in the evening hours you will have the best of the speeches from the eminent personalities in India. In the past, the youth had fought for the freedom. There were a lot of pain. They have suffered. There were sorrows. They had left their families, and many a times the family never knew as to where these fighters are. Today in the free India, we the youth are enjoying a lot. We have the freedom of speech, we have the freedom of expression, we are working for the justice, we are there to spread the equality amongst all. Now at this juncture, the present youth have a very big responsibility. The responsibility is such that we should be in a position to capitalize the human capital that is there with us, and we in turn should be able to contribute to the development of the nation. To do this, master your skill, become experts in the field of the cognition, have the psychomotor abilities with which you will be able to captivate the young audience, and you need to stand as a role model to see that a new India is going to emerge. Believe in yourself, have a positive attitude. It's something with which you will say, yes, I am capable of doing it. The youth need to speak to themselves, I can do it. Disha Bharat will lead India into such a country where the whole world will be able to look at Indians and then say, we need to learn from the East. I wish all the best for My Bharat program. Let the youth understand it, try to be aware of it, learn the skills, develop themselves to be the sacred individuals of this big nation. All the best.